welcome to the Floral POS. In this how-to video, we're going to show you how to connect with our integration with Shopify. Let's get started. First of all, make sure you're at the latest update version 7.6.00. First thing you're going to do is click on Control Panel. You're going to click on System Config 2. Then you're going to click on Shopify Settings. The next thing you need to do is find your Shopify domain. So click on Admin Login and it'll open you to this page. Once you're on your admin login and logged in here, go on the left hand side here, go to your online store and click on the little eyeball to view your online store. And as you see up here, it has mine says the-floral-pos-test store.myshopify.com. So I'm just going to grab this all the way to I'm not going to grab the HTTP. I'm going to copy it into here. Once you're done with that, click on Connect. That's going to open up a login. Go ahead and log into your store. You'll get a authorization code. Hit OK. Shopify connected successfully. Click OK. And we're halfway there. So our site's connected to the Floral POS. Next thing you're going to do is, it's up to you if you want to do this. You can leave it at website for your order source, or you can click on the add order source and type in Shopify. Click on plus, close out of here, and then select Shopify as the order source. So when orders are flowing into your system, into the Floral POS, it'll automatically tag it with Shopify. So for reporting purposes, it'll make your life a lot easier. The last thing you want to do, so you make sure your orders do flow in from your site, is click on Install for the service status. That'll turn green. And at the very bottom for alerts, it's up to you how you want to be alerted. I usually do System Tray, Message Center, and if you want to, you can do email and text. At this point, you're all done and orders should start flowing. So let's go ahead and see a couple orders flow in here and see what they look like. Alright, as you can see down here below in our Message Center, it shows you a new order from your Shopify website. All you do is click on the Action button. That'll open up the order for you. As you can see inside of here, you have a dozen roses vase, $55, a plush animal for $12.99 with your taxes and everything else. It brought in your customer, your recipient. So the only thing that we do not have programmed, and we'll have to work with our florists that get this connected up, is like default Shopify websites don't have an area for a card message. They don't really have an area for delivery date, so we kind of use the date that they took the order, and they don't have an area for occasion. So I know there are certain modules that you can download and install yourself, and there's other florists that have hired a developer that have put that in there. So once we do come across those cases, we'll get that programmed in for you guys and let you know how that works. But for right now, this is our Shopify integration. As you can see, the order came through. It looks really nice. And if you have any questions about this, you can call us at 888-865-9768. You can email us, support@thefloralpos.com, or as always, you can click on our smiley face and you can leave us some feedback. And we'll see you guys in the next video.